Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today looks like it's going to be a pretty good day as far as trading. Right now we're running kind of tight right now, so I think we're going to get a nice little breakout. Looking at my other charts, we should break out, man, and run. So we're looking forward to that. So just hang in there. Again, thanks for the visit, and stay tuned. Okay, be right back. Okay, so we're right at the outer edge trade. I am auto trading today, so I'm auto trading off. I use a smaller wrinkle chart to get in the move, so it hasn't qualified yet, but I am waiting on it. So let's just be patient and see if it happens. Okay, be right back. I'm pretty happy. I took a big hit. I took $1,000 hit, and I ended up getting it back. Let me show it on my trade performance. Okay, so I had took a 4,000. This is across 4 accounts, so it was $1,000 and $1,100 on each account that I took a loss on. And I just got it back right here. So I'm gonna walk with this and be happy, call it a day, and come back tomorrow. See how tomorrow plays out. Okay. Thanks for hanging out. See you tomorrow. Bye for now.